Today, we're going to talk about a magical anti-aging berry that's going to make your skin look beautiful and rosy. This berry is also known as the fruit of longevity, so it might even help you live for a really long time. So, according to one ancient Chinese legend, back in the Northern Song Dynasty, which is about 1,000 years ago, there was a court official, and one day he was just walking down the street, and suddenly he saw a young teenage girl whipping an old woman with a bamboo stick. Obviously, he was shocked, so he pulled the two apart, and then he questioned the teenage girl. The teenage girl pointed to the old woman and said, "She is my great-granddaughter. Our family has anti-aging secrets, and I've always told her to eat her medicine, but she never listened. Now look at her, she's old, she can't move around properly, all her hair turned white, and she has no teeth left. That's why I'm punishing her." The court official was shocked and asked, "How old are you?" The girl then smiled and said, "I'm 372 years old." The court official then asked, "What is this medicine you were talking about?" The girl said, "Oh, it's actually just one herb. It's called Goji berries. Take it during all seasons and you shall live as long as the heaven and earth." If this legend sounds too fantastical for you, which it is, then I have a more recent story for you. This man here is called Yuen, who is from the Ching Dynasty, the last dynasty of China, which ended just over 100 years ago. He was a very famous Chinese man. Even the Time magazine and New York Times reported about him. He's somewhat of a herb expert, and he gathered, ate, and sold herbs since his childhood. And he's quite a giant, standing at 7 feet, taller than LeBron James.
Bruh.
And apparently, one nail on his finger is over 6 inches long, like a Subway sandwich. But these aren't the reasons why he's famous. He's famous because allegedly he lived for a whopping 256 years. Of course, this is somewhat contentious. Others say he lived for merely 170 years. But one thing is certain, he definitely outlived everyone around him. Many of the oldest men in his neighborhood said their grandfathers knew Yuen. So what were his secrets for longevity? Well, he practices Qigong and meditation often, and he always tried to keep a calm and serene mind, never got into any arguments with his neighbors. And he drinks goji berries tea daily. Goji berry, also known as wolfberry, is a bright orange-red berry that comes from a shrub that's native to China. The earliest record of goji berries are found on oracle bones, which are from 1000 BC. That means Chinese people have been using and eating goji berries for at least 3,000 years. China's first herbal encyclopedia, Shen Ben Cao Jing, said to be written by the Emperor Shen 2,000 years ago, said this about goji berries: strengthen the bones and ligaments, keeps the body light, slows aging, and easing life through all the seasons. And actually, modern medicine has found that goji berries are packed with vitamin A and C, which helps to support your immune function. It also contains 19 amino acids out of the 20 that exist. It has antioxidants which promote collagen and elastin production and reduces hyperpigmentation. So it helps your skin to look more healthy, radiant, and rosy. In particular, it has zeaxanthin, which helps to absorb ultraviolet light from the sun as well as the blue light from digital screens, so it helps to protect your eyes. Remember Yuen, the man who lived for 250 years old? It's said that he had great vision even at an old age. So, if goji berries is so wonderful, what's the best way to eat it? If you have pre-existing medical conditions, then you should always consult your doctor before eating goji berries. But if you're generally healthy, then we recommend 3 ways to enjoy goji berries. First, you can eat it like a snack. It tastes a bit similar to cranberries or raisins, or you can mix it with nuts. Second, you can drink it as tea. Goji berries go really well with dried chrysanthemum. Just add some goji berries with dried chrysanthemum and add hot water. Simple as that. Third, you can add goji berries to any dish to enrich the flavor and boost the color scheme. Common ways include adding it to chicken broth or white fungus soup. Of course, don't binge eat goji berries, as Chinese medicine believes that the key to good health is harmony and balance in every aspect of your life. About 10 to 30 grams of goji berries a day should be enough. So if you enjoyed this video, you can check out our other videos. See you next time!